If you're seeing the message, your browser is managed by your organization in Firefox, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. This usually happens when Firefox detects policy settings, security software, or leftover registry entries that make it think it's being controlled by an organization. The good news is that in many cases, you can remove the message and get Firefox working normally again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get into it. First, we need to check what is actually controlling the browser. Open Firefox, click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and choose Settings. Once the settings page opens, look near the top for the text that says your browser is being managed by your organization. If you see that message, click it. Firefox will show you the active policies that are currently applied, and that can help you figure out whether the issue is coming from security software, system settings, or a leftover policy that needs to be removed. Now, before going any further, one common cause is antivirus software. In some cases, your antivirus or endpoint protection tool can add a Firefox policy automatically, which triggers this message. If you recently installed antivirus software, change security settings, or use the cleanup tool, temporarily turn off the antivirus and restart Firefox to see if the message disappears. If it does, then the antivirus is likely the source of the policy. In that case, you may need to adjust the antivirus settings or remove the browser management feature inside that software rather than changing Firefox itself. If the message is still there and you are not on a company or school network, the next step is to refresh Firefox. This is a safe built-in reset option that removes extensions and custom add-ons, but keeps your important data like bookmarks and passwords. To do that, click the menu icon again, go to Help, and then choose More Troubleshooting Information. On that page, you'll see a Refresh Firefox button. Click it and confirm the reset. Firefox will restart and rebuild the browser with fresh settings, which often removes the management warning if it was caused by a bad add-on or broken configuration. If refreshing Firefox does not fix the issue and you are comfortable with advanced Windows troubleshooting, you can check the Windows Registry for old policy entries. This is especially useful if the browser was previously managed by software that is no longer installed. To do this, press Windows plus R, type regedit, and press Enter to open the registry editor. Be careful here, because editing the registry incorrectly can affect your system. In the registry editor, navigate to HKEPB's local machine, then software, then policies, then Mozilla, and finally Firefox. If you see a Firefox folder there, right-click it and choose Delete. This removes machine-wide Firefox policy keys that may be forcing the manage message. After that, also check HKE's current user, then software, then policies, then Mozilla, then Firefox. If that Firefox folder exists, delete it too. This clears user-specific policy settings that may still be active. Once you've removed the registry entries, close the registry editor and restart your computer. After the restart, open Firefox again and check whether the message is gone. In many cases, this final step removes the browser management warning completely. If the message still appears after all of these steps, then the policy may be coming from software installed on your computer, a work profile, or a security tool that is still active in the background. At that point, you may need to uninstall the program that created the policy or contact your IT administrator if this is a managed device. So to recap, first check the active policies inside Firefox, then disable antivirus temporarily, then refresh Firefox, and if needed, remove the policy keys from the Windows Registry. Those steps solve the issue for most users and help restore normal Firefox control. If this video helped you fix the problem, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel and keeps more tutorials coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.